Changing your verification method on Yahoo Mail can help enhance your account security. Follow these steps to update your verification preferences. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Go to the Yahoo Mail website and enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account security. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Update verification method. In the account security section, look for the two-step verification option. Click on it to see your current verification methods and options to change them. Step 4. Choose new method. Select the verification method you want to use, such as a different phone number, email address, or an authenticator app. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new verification method, Yahoo may require you to verify it by sending a code to the new method. Enter the code when prompted to confirm your changes. By following these steps, you can successfully change your verification method on Yahoo Mail. Regularly updating your security settings is a good practice to keep your account safe.